If you want to connect a printer on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we can open Settings on your phone. Next over here proceed to Connections, and then you want to go to More Connection Settings. In this menu you should be able to find the printing option, and the first thing that you can do is simply tap on the default print service in order to try to find your printer on this list. And if you manage to find your printer, then of course that is great. You should be able to tap on it in order to try to connect and pair the printer with your phone. On the other hand, if you cannot find your printer in here, even though you are supposed to, you can also go back and tap on the download plugin in here to open the Play Store with additional plugins, services and apps which you might need to install for your printer. This of course depends on the printer itself, so you can give it a try if you can find the plugin for your printer in here. And in some other cases, what you might need to do is you might need to download a very specific app for your printer. So even though we have some plugins available in here, some printers require you to download specific apps that are usually mentioned in the manual of the printer. So you want to probably check the user manual and find some instructions on how to connect the printer with a smartphone, on Android of course. Then you should be able to go to the Play Store and find the app for your printer. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you what app you need to download for your printer, because in these cases printers just require very specific apps, so it's hard for me to of course tell. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.